Hey, welcome back! Good to see you. In today's 3-Minute Thursday, we are going to take you on a ride to some places near Humber College North Campus. And our first destination is the Humber Arboretum. So here we are at the Arboretum, which is about 100 steps away from the campus building. It's nature at its best. The greenery, the beautiful creatures you see here, they are good enough to make your day. Also, if you are an Instagram person, you can get some good shots like this. Well, I guess it's enough of greenery for now. Let's go and eat something. So here we are at Finch Plaza. The place is about 10 minutes of walking distance from the campus, and we will have to say, it offers a ton of options to satisfy your taste buds. If you are into Chinese, or Mediterranean, or Indian, or American, or Canadian, or Greek, phew, that is too much. Well, let's change location before it makes me hungry. So here we are at Woodbine Mall, which is less than 2 kilometers from the campus. You could use transit to come here as we did. Let's go inside. Have you ever seen a place like this? And this is all inside the mall, in an enclosed space, so no matter if it's winter or summer, you are all set to enjoy at the Fantasy Fair. We have a lot of shops and brands here, and sale is one of the most common things you will see here. Moreover, some stores provide special discounts for students too. This can be a good spot to get some economical and cheap stuff. Also, talking about economical, we also have a Dollarama here. From here, you can buy most of your daily need goods for a relatively cheap price. Moreover, if you want to catch up on a movie, the mall serves with a cinema as well, which shows almost every new movie that is released. And if you are tired of shopping or wandering inside the mall, we have a food court here as well. Well, I guess that's too much of this place and for this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.